everyone, welcome back to the Neo Nails channel. In this video we're going to do some acrylic structure and filing, and we're going to use a little bit of glitter. So we're going to use our practice hand today, so I've already fit the tips and shaped them, and now we're just going to go straight on with the acrylic. There's no need to do the primer and dehydrator because obviously she's just pretend. So I'm using a size 10 oval brush, and we're just going to pick up a medium sized bead, medium to small for the tip. Pop that there just above where the tip ends. Push the product into the centre, then just start walking it down. Keep your product more in the centre and just bring down the sides, very, very gentle. Don't press too hard, otherwise it'll just go all over. Wet your brush if it starts sticking. Then just bring off the excess, very gentle strokes, and cut it off the end. Next bead, just a small amount again. Pop that just above that one. Leave it a couple of seconds, let it set. Again, keeping it in the centre. And because we don't need any more at the tip, we're just going to brush the bottom of that bead down very gently. And let that sit where we put it. For the cuticle, small bead. Give it a couple of seconds before you lay it down. Pop it just shy of the cuticle. Keep the finger tilted down. Then just push it into place very gently around the cuticle. And then very gently pull the bottom of the bead down to join the rest. Make sure the sides are nice and neat. And then the same again. So these are all dry now and ready to file. For the acrylic, I used my blend of soft beige and rose glow equal parts, just because I forgot to mention that. And we're going to put the e-file on about 9 RPMs. We're using a medium grit bit with the drill, and I like to start at the end very gently, get the tip nice and smooth. I miss this little part out here where the structure is, and then go around the cuticle, get that nice and flush, down the sides really gently, down this side. And it's just to take down the bulk more than anything, because we do the rest with a hand file. And same again, dust those off. Then we'll go over those with a buffing block just to smooth it out. Then we'll wipe over with some gel residue and a lint-free pad. You might have to name it, you know, Drew.
I was just thinking that.
Anyone's got any suggestions for our new friend then?
We
And what we
finally
should
found
name
someone
her?
a bit more tanned than you as well.
Oh,
So I don't know if you want to fix that.
there's nothing like dissing the tan Drew. But yeah, we're open to suggestions with names. So we're going to use some matte top coat now, do full cover on these. Oh, Drew, we haven't thought about how we're going to put her in the lamp, have we?
Oh, that's true. Bring the lamp to her.
She's already pampered.
She's quite a diva.
I like her, like, she doesn't argue at all, does she?
No.
I don't think she's going to moan about any colours I use or any diamonds. I think we're going to get on.
She doesn't hold your hand though, that's a bit sad.
Yeah, that is sad. I do miss that
You
sometimes.
don't get any warmth from her.
Got to wait up though, haven't you?
Good
Cheek or
things,
hand
bad
holding.
things.
You're right about the tan now though. I should have got a whiter one.
I know.
Then we're going to use some gel top coat. The glossy one on top of this. We're using the 002 brush. And we're just going to do some swishes. So all I can describe that as.
Some swishes.
Some swishes. We're going to use this silver glitter, which will be listed down below, don't worry. And we're going to make a mess.
Here we go.
Here we go. Oh, I love that glitter, it's lovely.
It's very nice.
It's very nice. And the same again on the others. Swishing. Start swishing again. Can do any pattern with this though. It's just an easy design for anyone to manage.
Instead of a swish, it could be a whoosh.
Could be a whoosh, not a swish. I will matter say which one you do.
Could be a splatter.
So now we've cured this, we'll brush off the excess. And that's it finished. Because if you put it on matte, you don't need another coat on top of that, and that glitter will not move. As you can see, brushing it quite hard. That glitter's lovely, isn't it? Straighten her finger out. I'll be glad when she's got a name so we can actually start referring to her as something. So I hope you all enjoyed that easy tutorial. It'd be nice to see your designs, and if we've got any suggestions on the name, please comment them down below. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video.